Do you grind teeth while sleeping, or is it your child who has this problem? This could be due to stress or some digestive disorder. As per Ayurveda, teeth grinding is associated with Vata imbalance. Half a spoon of triphala powder taken with lukewarm water before bed will improve your digestion. Additionally, half a spoon of Brahmingrit before bed will be beneficial too. Daily practice of Anulom Vilom followed by a drop of sesame oil in each nostril will also provide relief, and you will notice sound sleep, lower stress levels, and no more teeth grinding.